Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video we're going to be unboxing and setting up some new household lighting. What we have to review in this video today is the Lumary light fixture and light switch. Now what this is just a small dome. It should be able to replace your existing lighting fixture. The other item we're going to be reviewing is the Lumary Light Switch. Now this has a variety of different options on it, and you can change your bulb to be a variety of different colors. So I'm pretty excited to do some electrical work and see how this turns out. I'm no expert, but based on what I saw, it should be pretty easy to set up. Just take all those precautions of shutting down the electrical with your breaker box and do it in a nice, well-lit room. So we'll probably do this here in a little bit, but let's get to unboxing them first. I'm gonna start with the light switch. So on the back here, what this says is model LSC0A1. The input voltage is 120 volts at 60 hertz. The output is 10 amps, and the operating temperature is anywhere from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Has a rated life of 25,000 hours. It is a smart light switch. Let's open this up and see what all we get. All the wires are coming out with it, but there we go for the light switch. A few different options on here. It looks like there's a brightness level, there's a CCT button, scene button, RGB for changing the colors, your power, and a power on off on the bottom. So variety of different buttons there. Easy to press. And on the back here we have your different wires we're going to use to connect it to the existing light switch. It does come with some labels here, so you can wrap these around your existing lines so you know what is what. Your green is going to be your ground, your red is your light, your black is your line, and the white is the neutral. Got some twist caps and screws. We have our smart light switch pairing guide. Let you see that. This is going to pair with the Lumary Disk Light that we purchased. Have the user manual, so we will review this as we go. Let's take a look at the Lumary Smart Disk Light. Now it has 16 million colors is what it says. You can pair this up with your smartphone. It has 1100 lumens, and the estimated energy cost is just $1.80 per year. So if you are looking for an LED option, this is probably going to be your best bet. You don't have to worry about swapping out light bulbs like I currently have to do in this room. Before I pull this out of the box, I do want to show some options I saw on the side here. Has app dimming, music sync, timer, 16 million colors, works with an app, and voice control. So yes, you can connect this to your Alexa device. We got the bulb here. Instruction manual. Again, we're going to reference this when the time comes for actually installing it. But let's take a look at the fixture. It's not the screw-in type like I've previously showed on this channel, but this should be pretty simple for install. Your white and black and your green for the ground. So that's just going to twist onto your existing electrical system. Took the dome off, and you get the variety of LEDs there. And it's just going to connect with the two screw slots there. Just locks that into place. and should be good to go. So it does come with that too. So if you do have this option in your house, you can use that one. And again, we got the twist plugs and a couple screws. We're going to go ahead and turn off the lights, turn off the electrical, and I'm going to show you exactly where we're going to be connecting everything as we go. First person point of view. All right, so I have the light fixture up here, the old one. I have the power shut off downstairs. I verified that with the light switch, on off, and we do not have power in the room. So let's get this all taken off the ceiling, and then I will show you how to connect the new light fixture. All right, so I took the bulbs out. I loosened up the screws that go into the ceiling here, both of those. You twist this fixture and this should just be popping right down. Just like so. We're gonna undo all these wires and then reconnect the new fixture here. Hopefully I'll be able to use the existing screws. And just so you guys can see here, I'm gonna separate these a little bit, but we have the white cable, the black one here, and this is your green grounding cable. So I'm gonna get this all connected to the new fixture and we'll push this on up and test it out. We have the fixture all connected to the appropriate wires. We use the twist nuts that came with the product, and those went on really easily, made sure they're all secure. And then after that, we will put the light in. We have all the wires tucked in nicely, and we're just gonna tighten this up so the fixture is against the ceiling. Here is the new fixture all tightened to the ceiling here. I'm gonna put the globe on top of it. I did have to cheat and use a actual drill to tighten the screws, but you should be able to do it with a Phillips, no problem. So that fits just like so, and you twist it to secure it. All right, got the light switch all pulled out here. Don't fear that the light is on in the hallway. That's not connected to this here, so I should be good to go. We have black wires that look like they appear to connect on the top, just the back and the left. And then on the bottom there, we got the other cable and then the grounding cable there. So let's get this all undone, cleaned out in the back there because they left a huge mess, and we're gonna plug in the new light switch. All right, I got the new light switch connected. I did use a bigger nut here just because there's thicker wires. I probably could have done the same on this one, but that's how it goes. This is what I had to work with. I'm gonna get all the wires shoved back in there and then hopefully get this light switch working. New light switch is nice and tightened against the wall. I have all the wires plugged in, and behind there, hopefully they're all secure. Don't want to burn my house down. Now we are going to put this plate on here. This should just snap right on. Just like so. Make sure that symbol is on the bottom there. So I have the light switch installed, the light installed, and I have it paired up. What I did to pair it up was just hold down the power button for a long time. 10 seconds should do. Now that we have it paired up, we should be able to press the power on off. Does light up right away. It's on the brightest setting. If I do want to change it to a different setting, I have it paired so I can hit the dimmer here for darker, brighter. We have some other options on here, RGB to change the color of it, and the power. So going forward, now that it's paired up and powered on, I can hit that and it should turn off the light. Single press turns it back on. I'm gonna change the dimmer settings on here. And if you can see it, I'm pressing the RGB to change the colors. So a variety of different settings with the switch itself. You can also use the app on your phone, customize it a little bit more to your liking, and just have it right at your fingertips. So that's the way I'm going to prefer to do it, probably going forward. But if I need to quickly enter the room and turn on the light, I'm able to do so. So hopefully you guys like the video. If you want to pick up any of these products for yourselves, check the link in the description below. That's where I always have that posted. And if you guys like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.